In this lesson, we will create security zones. The purpose of using security zones is to determine our security limits. We will take our users here to our inside zone. We will take our WAN interface to the outside zone, and we will take the subnet where our servers are located to the DMZ zone. And in this way we will determine our security limits using zones. Now let's go to the firewall side and start creating our zones. I connected to the graphical user interface of our firewall. Let's come under the Network tab from here. Under the Network tab, let's come to the Zones section on the left. Here, let's create our zones by clicking Add at the bottom. Let's call our first zone Outside. Here we choose Layer 3 as the type. Now we do not select the interface information. When we set the interfaces in our future lessons, our interface will be added here automatically. Now I gave the name, and after specifying the type as Layer 3, I say OK. Now let's create our inside zone. I choose Layer 3 as a type. I say OK. Now let's create the DMZ zone. We created our outside, inside and DMZ security zones that we will use in the lab environment. We will take our WAN interface to the outside zone. We will take the interfaces we use locally to the inside zone, and we will take the port where our web server is located to our DMZ zone. In this way, we will determine our security limits and determine our security policies accordingly. That's all for now in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.